All right, here's California gas, which is super cheap. And to get the pump to run, they've screwed it up like the gas cans. This nozzle has to be close together to get it to pump. And we've got it locked and it's slowly working its way out. But you got to push it in really hard just to get the pump to actually pump, which is kind of ridiculous. But we're on our way to Bob's Big Boy again in Burbank because they're having their cruise in there. And a whole bunch of guys we met are going over there, so we're going to go check out the cars over there.
All right, folks, it's the Big Swag here. Do you like hot rods, muscle cars, and motorcycles? Then you came to the right place. We got everything from hot rods to racers. This is HiRevz Media.
All right, guys, so we made it back over to Bob's Big Boy, and we got the cruise in going here, and tons of cars everywhere that we're having to park everything, trying to figure out where to put it. So get all the Priuses out of here so we can have cool stuff. So, but we finally got the Mustang into a hole,
yep.
Which is good.
Yeah, feel better about it now.
Yeah, feel a lot better about it. So, show you some of the cars here. HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.